Hi, I'm Greg Lewis with Relevant Industrial. I'm the product manager for Ralston Instruments. Tired of wasting time on pressure testing gear that's a pain to set up and leaks every time you turn your back? Stop wasting time and get the Ralston Quick-Test Fitting. Quick, safe, reliable, period. Ralston Quick-Test Fittings are engineered for one thing, getting your pressure test done fast and done right. Forget the headaches. These fittings connect and seal in seconds. No leaks, no hassle. Think this is just another fitting? No way. This is a precision engineered system that saves you time and keeps you safe. Fast setup, leak-proof design. These can handle whatever you throw at them. Gas, liquid, high pressure, you name it. Safety is a non-negotiable here. These fittings aren't just leak-proof, they're built to prevent disaster in high-pressure systems. No accidents, no surprises, just straight-up reliability. Whether you're calibrating gauges, diagnosing equipment, or doing routine maintenance, the Ralston Quick-Test Fittings are the only tools you'll need. For over 30 years, Ralston's been the go-to for pros who demand performance. These fittings aren't just a choice, they're the smart choice every time. Get it done with Ralston Quick-Test Fittings. Check us out at relevantsolutions.com or our e-commerce site, shoprelevant.com.